we're gonna get some food, just a little bit. Okay, I'm totally kidding. But yes, today I'm gonna be taking you to some amazing restaurants that are located here on the fabulous Las Vegas Strip. And I'm not just taking you on any random food tour. Today I am taking you on an official lip-smacking foodie tour, which I've done plenty of videos with in the past. And the best part of all is that I have some very special guests that are gonna be coming along with me, and these are people that you need to know to have a successful trip in Las Vegas. Are we gonna eat good today, Tom?
We're gonna be amazing today. I have 3 incredible brunch restaurants here at Resorts World for you. We're gonna have an amazing time. Our very first restaurant is just to the side of us. Wally's Gourmet Food and Fine Wine. You guys hungry? Let's do it. Please follow me.
So it is a Boozy Brunch, so you can have a cocktail or a mocktail. Definitely gonna go with a cocktail.
As you start to dig in, let me tell you about what you've got in front of you. So first, we have their Egg Benedict toast. So this beautiful French toast is done with smashed avocado, a little bit of heirloom tomato, poached eggs, and a basil pesto. That's that first dish.
So again, I said we had a few special guests. You guys know Las Vegas Phil here. He's been in a few episodes with me. It somehow always has to do with food.
Yeah, somehow, and a lot of people recognize me from your videos, so they just say Norma to me.
Like, no, it's Phil. So everybody got their content already, but we're gonna finally be able to try the Eggs Benedict toast. It's like an avocado toast and an Eggs Benedict all at once, and it looks actually really healthy at the same time. Look at that runny egg yolk.
I do love a poached egg. Really good. Tastes very California.
I don't know how they got the egg yolk to be this runny, but yet the outside is like very firm.
Yeah.
They gotta teach me because I have no idea.
Poached eggs are tough, and this is perfect.
There's not many avocado toasts that I like out there, but this one is really good.
Yeah, really well done. Bread's great, everything going on. Really good bite.
Cheers. I didn't get to try it yet. Oh, I didn't expect that. That's really bubbly. It's like a bubbly mojito.
Then we move on to our French toast. This is an oven roasted brioche bread pudding, lemon whipped ricotta, roasted stone fruit, and then there is a house-made almond crumble over the top. And of course, no breakfast dish would be complete with French toast without a little bit of that beautiful roasted syrup on top. So please enjoy.
And can I say how fast the food came out? We sat down and the food came out like 30 seconds later.
Yeah, no waiting at all, and I love that about this tour. I mean, you're straight in, treated like a VIP, and they bring out all the good food.
And they promise us that we're gonna get full. So next we're gonna try the French toast right here. It looks really good. It says it has lemon whipped ricotta on it, roasted stone fruit, almond crumble. It has like the perfect amount of moistness.
But yeah, I like the refreshing little lemon finish.
It's that lemon whipped ricotta. You could definitely taste the lemon in there.
Yeah.
And then we got Cody on the other side right here. Cody, I think you liked it.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I should have licked my plate, but I didn't because I'm saving room to enjoy my cocktail. But actually, the mocktail here is fire.
Like, what did it taste like?
It was mango and spicy, and it just, I don't know, this is like very light. So if you're in the mood for something like really light, but that like punch with the sweetness of the French toast was like, it was so good.
Nice. Off to the next spot. I have something to tell you guys. So for this video, we're gonna find out my true ethnicity. And for that, I partner with My Heritage. When people ask, I just say that I'm Mexican, so who knows, we might be adding more to that list. So My Heritage is a leading global family history and DNA service. And it's gonna help me discover my origins and hopefully even new relatives. Comes with these 2 little cheap swabs right here. I'm gonna do it on both sides and then I'm gonna put it into these little tubes. It's literally the easiest test ever. Gonna do the right side first. So you're in this for 30 seconds. Oh, there's liquid in here. That's so cool. Just gonna put it in here, break this off. All right, now the other side. Yeah, all of them there. It's gonna give me a percentage breakdown of my origins across 42 supported ethnicities and 2,114 geographic regions. That's a lot. And they have a committed privacy policy, so they'll never sell or license genetic data, so you're the sole owner of your DNA. All right, let's send this puppy off and we'll find out later in the video what my results are.
Our second restaurant of the day here at Resorts World is FUHU. FUHU is one of the fine dining restaurants here at Resorts World. Follow me in. So ladies and gentlemen, the signature cocktail that we recommend here is called the FUHU Haiku. It is served up with Ketel One Grapefruit Fever Tree, grapefruit tonic, as well as a little bit of fresh rosé and lychee.
Yo, influencers are wild here. All right, guys, so next up we have Drew right here from Unlocked. He also owns Sorry Not Sorry ice cream place.
The best in the world.
Like literally, there's like lines out the door to his ice cream spot.
Forever.
So I would ask you how the drink was, but
She has footage of me slamming it to the face. We're at brunch. What goes with brunch? Booze. What are we doing? We're boozing. Does yours have alcohol in it?
yes. Next we got a little bit of dim sum right here, the shrimp hargao.
Norma, are you good? Do you want a fork?
I probably do.
One and done. You saw that? You saw the chopstick skills?
I only got to try the inside of it because the shell fell out. But that's really good.
It's good.
That is
It's good.
so
It's like
good.
a jumbo piece of shrimp.
Right here is going to be the ube pancakes.
But yeah, so FUHU is an Asian spot. It's like it's a really big fusion of so many different
Yes.
cuisines. And they even brought ube pancakes here.
Technically, I still don't know what ube is.
It's a purple potato. And then this one has condensed milk on it, whipped butter, coconut shreds at the top. Go for
Cheers.
it.
Boom.
Yeah, look at it. Look
Oh, I
at this
triple
bite.
stacked it. I triple stacked it.
That definitely tastes like condensed milk a lot. It's so juicy.
What would you say the flavor profile is, though, of ube? I think it tastes like white chocolate.
Yeah,
Or is that weird?
I don't know. Thanks, Drew.
Love it. Thank you so much.
We got their char siu bao. That is the dish that is in the center. There's one for everybody. These are steamed pork buns.
And next up we have Lindsay right here. Hi. She is.
Big fan of Norma's.
So we have quite a bit more to try here. This one's gonna be pork in the middle. Ooh, look at that.
It's like super fluffy.
Yeah.
I've never had this before.
No?
No. I mean, I just tried it right now for the first time ever.
Just
Cheers. It's sweet and savory. You agree?
like a sweet barbecue. Almost in a sense, yeah.
I could eat a million of these. I feel like I have to do the whole thing too.
I still say we should put chocolate in these one day.
Totally agree. That would be so good.
Finally, we have their duck fried rice to get you all the way to the lunch territory. There is fresh shredded Peking duck, as well as fresh egg and fresh onion in the mixture as well.
Yeah, now we have a duck fried. Look, it has little pieces of duck in there.
Let's hurry up and eat this in case we have to bounce. That is so good.
That's very delicious. Like the duck fat, you can definitely taste it throughout the rice. And besides the random emergency lights going off right now, usually this is like a party brunch. Yeah, so this is a place to come eat before you go to IU, whatever it is.
Yes.
Before you're gonna party throughout your day.
I think this is a good place to start or end.
So point of the video is have this either before or after drinking.
Ray is famous for his contemporary approach to Latin cuisine. I'm excited to share it. Follow me. My friend is here to help us out with our cocktail or our mocktail orders. The cocktail is the famous Viva Rita. Signature margarita is unique in its flavor.
All right, guys, so next up we have Yuvia here. So she runs an Instagram page called Las Vegas Chicas. This is a boozy brunch. However, though, you can choose to have a mocktail instead. And you don't have to do like all cocktails at all three places. Like you could do a mocktail in between or stuff like right now. One of the options that they have is their margarita, which I've had it before and it's really good, but I kind of want to try something else. This is one of their seasonal aguas, which is a spice Jamaica. And then she got the margarita, which does have like the foam at the top.
Cheers.
Ooh.
It's gonna put you on your back.
This tastes like Jamaica with like cinnamon.
Huh, different. Yeah.
It's like, and it's very floral for sure.
Yeah. It's like very mellow, like not super sweet.
This is a little amuse-bouche for brunch, so this is their heirloom tomato salad.
So this is the heirloom tomato salad. It's gonna have parts of palm, avocado, watermelon radish, and a Meyer lemon vinaigrette. I like that vinaigrette a lot.
I like the combination of flavors.
It's basically all the salad toppings without the actual salad.
Yeah.
So next up we got some camarón tacos, so shrimp tacos of course, and then some lime. Oh, it's really good.
Yeah.
I like the tortillas a lot.
You get everything in one bite.
Or proof the tacos. At Viva, you can get almost like any taco imaginable.
Almost everybody has heard of huevos rancheros. This is a version done with crispy tortilla chips, so they call it chilaquiles. So this is a Mexican-style street corn. It's cut from the cob to make it easy to eat.
To finish off these last two items here, for our food tour. We have Jen, she is Vegas starfish. So much of Vegas too. We're gonna go ahead and try this mountain of chilaquiles.
Oh, cool.
Definitely get some yolk out of there.
That was really good.
I actually really like the salsa that they used to toss it in.
I thought it would be really spicy. It's not. Good. Perfect.
So far, what's been your favorite from this whole tour?
FUHU.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love the duck fried rice, the grapefruit cocktail. How about you?
I'm not gonna lie, after I finished filming, I kept on eating the duck fried rice.
It's so good.
So this is their esquite, which is basically corn, bone marrow, cotija. Burning my hand just holding this plate. All right, let's eat it quick.
It's a lot sweeter than I thought it would be.
It's like really cheesy, it's really creamy. That
It's
is
just a faintest hint of heat.
And what's cool too about the tours is that you get to sit in a group and make new friends.
But like everyone kind of is mingling and hanging out, and it's good. It's fun.
So Boozy Brunch, success.
Absolutely.
We have 2 amazing individual desserts to finish off your lip-smacking Boozy Brunch tour. Chef Ray and his team have created a house-made churro, of course, stuffed with that classic cinnamon, sugar, salt on the outside. And most people have heard of the term tres leches, and if you're somebody like me, it's probably one of your favorite desserts in the world.
Not only did they give us a tres leches cake right here, they brought my favorite dessert in the whole world, their churros. Oh my God. I'm actually kind of glad that they're kind of this small because we are all stuffed right now. Oh man. Again, they gave you the cake dry and then they have the milk right here at the bottom, so then you drench it when you want to. And the churro. Again, guys, this is one of the many reasons why I keep featuring Viva. It's so amazing. Hey Drew, how was the churro?
Oh, 10 out of 10. Fantastic. Melts in your mouth. Chef's kiss.
Oh my God, we have to find out how Mexican I am, or if I'm even any kind of Mexican. Anna has the results, and she's gonna tell me for the first time what I am. Oh my God, why am I nervous?
Okay, ready? 81.9% Mesoamerican and Andean.
That's Mexican.
Yeah.
That's Mexican.
Yeah.
Okay, 81, wow, that's a
81.9,
lot.
Next one was 6.4% Iberian.
I don't even know where that is, okay.
6.1% Italian.
What?
See, monsieur. Wait, that's French. 2.4% North and Western European, and 3.2% 2 more ethnicities.
Iberian. Mother, you have some explaining to do. Wait, am I Spanish at all then?
Are you supposed to be Spanish?
I don't know. Don't Mexicans come from Spain?
Some do. Mine came from Russia.
Well, there you go. So if you guys want to check out what your heritage is, just like mine, I'm like super surprised right now, actually.
That's kind of cool.
Just make sure you click on my link down below and make sure you use my code. That way you can find out what you are. So as always, guys, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment below. Tell me which of these items you would try. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. We have, which one is it? Okay. Did you try the alcohol? Did you try the cocktail yet? Sorry, I was about to choke there. Cody, we can't be licking plates here. This is a fancy place.
Are you sure?
Here you go.
It's like that for a bunch of different people for a variety of reasons.
Let us know, guys. Does ube tastes like white chocolate?
No, we'd be like, oh, the white guy is white chocolate. What's he talking about? No, I knew that was gonna happen.
I can't get it out. Hold on.
Norma, are you good? Do you want a fork?
I probably do. Okay.
See, that's the emergency, isn't it? That's the emergency going off.
Ah, shit.
So the emergency lights are going off, and we're just all being chill.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I got it on my